These are millions of American retirees who saved their entire lives and are watching those savings vanish in under 2 years. This is what happens when nursing home costs collide with the reality of what most Americans actually have set aside. The number that should stop you cold is $111,325, and that's what a semi-private nursing home room costs per year in 2024, with a private room running $127,750. Now set that against the median retirement savings of Americans aged 65 to 74, which sits at $200,000, and the picture becomes very clear. At current prices, a lifetime of savings disappears in less than 2 years of care, and that window keeps shrinking. Back in 2016, a semi-private room ran about $82,000 a year, but by 2024 that figure had cleared $111,000, and projections put the annual cost at nearly $186,000 within the next 20 years. This isn't a gradual creep. It's a sustained climb with no ceiling in sight. What makes this a silent crisis is that most families don't recognize it until they're already inside it. 70% of Americans turning 65 will need some form of long-term care in their lifetime, and nearly 1 in 5 will face total costs exceeding $200,000. Yet only 3 to 4% of Americans over 50 carry a long-term care insurance policy. A large part of that gap comes down to a widespread misconception about Medicare, with most people assuming it will cover them for the long haul. Medicare covers skilled nursing care for up to 100 days following a qualifying hospital stay, and after that, the bill lands entirely on the patient and their family. A landmark study published in JAMA Network Open tracked nearly 200,000 Medicare beneficiaries who entered nursing homes as private pay patients, and what it found was blunt. 1 in 6 of those residents exhausted their assets and enrolled in Medicaid in an average of just 6.1 months, and after 4 years in a nursing home, 61.8% of residents who started out paying privately had made that same transition. To qualify for Medicaid, a person must reduce their assets to below roughly $2,000. Meaning the spend-down process doesn't preserve anything meaningful, it strips everything down to almost nothing. And the safety net waiting at the bottom of that fall is now under serious strain, because legislation passed in July 2025 could cut federal Medicaid funding by up to $1 trillion over the next decade. A 2025 analysis by Brown University researchers identified 579 nursing homes already at elevated risk of shutting down as those cuts take hold. Every day until 2030, 10,000 Americans turn 65, and the number of people needing nursing home care is projected to climb 75% by that same year. Costs are rising, facilities are closing faster than new ones open, and the financial program that covers 62% of all nursing home residents is being pulled back at the exact moment demand is accelerating. The silent crisis isn't something approaching on the horizon. For millions of American families, it arrived quietly, and the savings that were supposed to last a lifetime were often the first thing it took.